Hello and welcome to LawWiser. Today we are discussing legal rights of tenants in India, a critical topic for anyone renting a property. Understanding these rights ensures that tenants can live comfortably and securely without fear of unfair treatment. First is the right to fair rent. One of the most important rights for tenants is the right to fair rent. The Rent Control Act of 1948, along with various state specific rent control laws, ensures that landlords cannot charge exorbitant rents. The rent should be in line with the market rates for similar properties in the area. If a landlord attempts to charge more than what is reasonable, tenants can file a complaint in the rent courts. Right to a safe and habitable home. Every tenant has the right to live in a safe and habitable home. Before moving in, tenants should check that all safety measures are in place. This includes ensuring that the property is structurally sound, the electrical and plumbing systems are working correctly, and that any necessary repairs have been made. If repairs are needed during the tenancy, the landlord is responsible for addressing them promptly. If the landlord fails to do so, the tenant can arrange for repairs and later be reimbursed by the landlord. Right to privacy. Privacy is another important fundamental right for tenants. Landlord cannot enter the rented property at will and they must provide at least 1 day's notice before visiting and should only do so during reasonable hours except in emergencies. This respect for privacy is crucial for maintaining a healthy landlord tenant relationship. Right to due process in eviction. Under the Rent Control Act, landlords can only evict tenants on specific grounds such as willful default in rent payment, subletting without consent, or if the landlord needs the property for personal use. Even in these cases, the landlord must follow legal procedures, ensuring that tenants have a fair opportunity to contest the eviction. Right to a transparent rental agreement. The rental agreement is a critical document that outlines the terms and conditions of the tenancy. Tenants have the right to read, understand, and negotiate these terms before signing. Any breach of agreement by the landlord, such as violating agreed terms or failing to maintain the property, can be contested by the tenant in a small causes court. So, in conclusion, knowing your rights as a tenant in India is essential for ensuring a fair and peaceful living arrangement. From the right to fair rent and a safe home to the right to privacy and due process in eviction, these legal protections are designed to balance the interests of both tenants and landlords. Thank you for watching LawWiser and remember, we are here to empower you with legal knowledge.